Hey, what's up everyone? This is Mr. Honey for day 14 of Sports Nutrition, and today we're going to be continuing along with talking about food label and ingredients, and today we're talking about additives. So if you guys go ahead and pull out the additives notes, we can go ahead and get started. So we're going to be talking about additives today, and the first thing we're going to do is talk about ingredients. Now, when you look at any packaging in food, you're going to notice the ingredients are often listed, obviously, on the food package. However, ingredients are often listed in order of predominance, meaning the ingredient that is most in a food package or most in a food that you consume is going to be listed first, and then slowly on down the line, less and less and less. So for example, if you buy something and there's a huge amount of sugar in it, and sugar is like all this thing's consumed of, you'll probably see sugar listed as one of the highest ingredients on the list. So the other thing we want to talk about here is the purpose of additives. So a lot of your food actually contains a good amount of additives, and there's a reason that you have a lot of additives in your food. So some of the reasons that we have a lot of additives in food is that it technically improves the safety and the freshness of food. It keeps it fresh longer and allows for safe consumption. It improves or maintains the nutritional value. Over time, food may end up losing its nutritional value, so in order to maintain that, additives may be used. And then finally, it may improve taste, texture, and appearance. There are some instances where additives are used in certain foods to give them the literal taste, the texture, and appearance that we're all familiar with, and that may not even be how the food naturally looks without the additive in it. So how do we get additives into food? Well, the first thing we have is the direct way, and this is where additives are purposefully put in there. So these are often listed on the packaging. So if you look into any sort of ingredients of food and you see the additives listed in the ingredients, oftentimes those additives listed in the ingredients are purposefully put into that food for any of those reasons that we previously discussed. Then we have indirect additives, which is where certain additives are added as a result of packaging and handling. I don't want to freak anybody out, but with indirect additives, manufacturers actually have to document that the level of indirect additives in your food is so low, because by documenting that, they can actually prove to the FDA and scientists that the food is technically safe to consume. And moving on, we have color additives, and you have what are called certified colors. Now, certified colors are basically human and synthetically made colors or dyes, and they are less expensive, and they are approved by the Food and Drug Administration, the FDA. However, you also have a type of color additive that is considered to be exempt from certification. And these are pigments in your food that are actually derived from natural sources such as plants, minerals, and animals. So that is going to do it for the video today. And what you guys are going to be doing after you submit your notes is there an assignment where you will be comparing the ingredients of 3 Coke products. So if you go into the Coke comparison, what you will be doing is looking at the ingredients for Diet Coke, Coke Zero, and Coke Zero Sugar, and using the ingredients listed to answer the questions on the paper. But that's going to conclude today's video. This is Mr. Honey signing off, and y'all have a great day. Bye.